Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Winter season is finally here and I'm switching my skincare routine because winters are harsh for the skin and also for the body, so I try to take care of my skin. My skin is normal though, but yes, there are certain products that I cannot live without, especially in winter season. So without further ado guys, I will be telling you about the each one essential that I have for the season. So guys, the first one is gonna be a lip balm. Now I really need a moisturizing lip balm because in winters your lips get chapped and dry and it really looks bad. So most of the time I'll tell you that throughout the day I have a good lip balm on my lips. Like in the night I use a sleeping mask, but in the daytime I try to go for a tint first and then I top it over with the lip balm. Now make sure that your lips are thoroughly moisturized in the winter season so that they can look all beautiful, plump and flawless. So yes, a lip balm is a must have. I will also make sure that I mention about the products that I'm showing you in the video in the description box below. Next one guys, for the body. Now for the face, I might say my face skin is normal. For the body guys, it gets really dry in the winter season, so I try to go for a body wash. I stay away from soaps because they are more drying for the skin. So this winters I am going to be sticking onto 1% salicylic acid daily exfoliating body wash. This one is going to be from Dermaco, and the reason why I love Dermaco products are because it doesn't have any fragrance. So people who are smell sensitive like I am, believe me, the brand is just gonna be right pick. So yes, I take a little coin size on the loofah, apply it all over the body. I'll tell you, salicylic acid is really helpful in exfoliating the dead skin cells on the body. Now in the winters you'll be able to see that your skin get whitish and then there is a lot of accumulation of dead skin cells on the body. So it is really gonna help you out there, and it is also not gonna make your skin dry. So I absolutely swear by this one. I have a bit of acne problem on this area, like the back of my hands, and which has really helped me in there. So you must give it a try. It is an exfoliating agent. So yes, make sure that you use this one this winter season, and believe me, you're not going to be disappointed at all. And if you use my code Ritu 2022, you're going to get extra 20% off. Also, every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. Now guys, the next thing which I absolutely swear by in this winter season is gonna be a good Kumkum Adi serum. Now I'll tell you what Kumkum Adi serum does. Now all the other serums that I have used and talked about, they were fine for the summer season. Now but for the winters you need something which is extremely moisturizing for the skin, which helps in hydrating the skin as well. Now all of those serums that I have used, like vitamin C, then there are kojic acid, and lots of serum I have used, they have worked amazingly well for my skin, but that is just not going to be enough for winter. So I go for this Kumkum Adi one. I'll tell you, it has a oily kind of a consistency, though it doesn't feel oily, but it thoroughly helps in moisturizing the face. People who have pigmentation, a bit of dark spots, believe me, a Kumkum Adi serum is going to be a must have for you all. Now there are various brands available, you can pick according to your convenience. So guys, next one is going to be a lipstick. Now I use this lip color, which is gonna be Kiro in the shade Ginger Tea. Now this is my best lipstick that I use all the time. Now this is a bit moisturizing on the lips. It is not completely matte, but kind of a hydra matte, which doesn't dry out your lips and stay intact. Now for the people who falls in skin tone just as mine, believe me, this is gonna be perfect fit for you all. It is a very brownish nudish kind of a shade. Also it doesn't leave your lip dry, so even if you like to skip the lip balm, believe me, you're gonna be good to go. So this is the next lip color I wanted to talk about, and I wanted to share it with you all because it's amazing. Last but not the least guys, is gonna be a sunscreen, of course. And for the winters we need a sunscreen which is moisturizing in the nature, not that watery consistency anymore, because in harsh winters that is just not gonna do for you. So I pick up sunscreen which has at least SPF 50 because we tend to stay out in the sun more when it's winters. So yes, this one comes very handy to me. I will make sure that all the links are going to be in the description box below. Make sure that you do not skip your sunscreen because it is going to protect your skin from harmful sun rays. In the winters the sun feels so good on the skin and we try to skip it. Just don't do it. It is going to cause a lot of tanning and skin damage. So with that, we are going to be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you find the video helpful. These were all the winter essentials that I cannot live without. And with that, I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you all so much.